Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are Bosh. This is the Bish Bash Bosh book club.
And in today's episode, we're going to be talking you through 3 of our favourite recipes.
From this wonderful thing. This is our new book, Bish Bash Bosh. And yeah, in this series, we're just going to be taking you through some of the things we're really excited about in this book.
Now, the first thing we're very excited about in this book is our incredible burger section. We've used easily available plant-based patties like the Beyond Burger or the No Bull Burger and put them in some of the most fantastic burgers you've ever eaten.
So in here we have the LA Guac Burger and the Ibiza Sunset Burger. Now the LA Guac Burger, as you would imagine, has a load of guacamole on it. It's gorgeous, it's got that soft, creamy texture, but also it's topped with a hash brown to give it a little bit of extra bite, make it that little bit more interesting. The Ibiza Sunset Burger is more classic. We've got balsamic onions in there, acidic, sweet, gorgeous, and that's just going to complement the dairy-free cheese perfectly, as well as our secret recipe, which is no longer secret, for Bosh Burger sauce. So that is the Bangin burgers, the Ibiza Sunset Burger and the LA Guac Burger. We're going to be giving away both of those dishes at Vegan Nights, which will be the launch party for our new cookbook, Bish Bash Bosh, on the 4th of April. So if you are in London on the 4th of April, come to Vegan Nights and you can taste these burgers.
Yummo!
Yummo! Okay, the second recipe
is the 1 tray big jackfruit roast. Oh my goodness me, what we've done with jackfruit has never been done before.
This is incredible. The inspiration for this came from, it was just the idea to simplify making a roast dinner. You know, when you're making a roast dinner, you end up with so much washing up. Remember, like after Christmas or Sunday afternoon, someone's got to do the washing up. We've got 4 baking trays, pans, everything all over the place. We wanted to do away with that, simplify the roast dinner.
And we've made the jackfruit itself as meaty as it possibly could have been. The marinade we've created has made it taste just like pulled pork or something along those lines. It is truly delicious.
So that spice mix that we add to the jackfruit is incredible. It's kind of like our secret blend of spices. You then add that to the jackfruit, roast it off, and pull the jackfruit so you get that beautiful pulled pork effect.
And root vegetables, as you well know, are absolutely key in a good quality roast dinner. And these, they're good uns.
So good, so easy, and also you get the applesauce there as well. For me, it's always important with a roast dinner to get that sweetness, whether it's cranberry or applesauce. So this is paired with applesauce. That was actually one of our most popular Christmas videos in 2018.
So, Sundays, sorted.
Sorted, mate, proper easy. And finally, this one. Oh my goodness.
My goodness gracious me. Now, fried chicken. Everyone loves a bit of fried chicken, or used to if you're now vegan. So we've recreated it, but rather than use chicken, we're using oyster mushrooms.
Now, this is the Wild West wings. That's what we're calling it, because this is basically what you would find if you were in South Carolina looking for some soul food. It's bad boy oyster mushrooms, deep fried, battered to perfection. And we've paired them with 2 chili sauces.
It's unimaginably crunchy. It's absolutely ridiculous. Like, the crunch is like...
But
so
also, these chili sauces are unbelievable too. So we've got the De La Soul chili sauce, which is kind of like a Korean-style barbecue sauce. You make that yourself, as well as our Wild West chili sauce, which is a more traditional, fiery Tex-Mex chili sauce. Super hot, super sweet, and perfect alongside these gorgeous wings.
That buttermilk marinade, whoa, we nailed it.
It's incredible. I love the styling of that picture as well. Look at that, with a little like American diner basket.
So obviously, there's a plethora of fantastic recipes in the book, and that's just 3 of our faves.
We hope you're going to love these 3. Obviously, you've got to go through and find your own, but we're really proud of these, as well as so many others in this book.
So, if you want to cook some fantastic plant-based food from Bish Bash Bosh, pre-order it. The link is below in the description.
And we're going to be just letting you into more and more behind the book over the next coming days, all the way through March. 1 video a day of the Bish Bash Bosh book club.
Bish
Bash Bosh!